can see we are already solving questions on exercise 1F. This is the last set of the questions that were there that we have. If you check what we talked about our equation of indices, we said that equation of indices where the unknown becomes the power, we can solve it like this by raising everything based on the same, it should be on the same base. Like we have here, we now have 5 raised to power x. 5 raised to power 2 is an equivalent of 25. So that is exactly what we do here. Where we divide both base, x is equal to what? 2. This question is very simple. The same thing happens in this question, where we now say 9 raised to power x is equal to 27. We can take them to the same base in such a way that you now have, we can raise this one to the power of 3. Don't forget 2x, x was there before. Here is what? 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 is an equivalent of what? 27. So where we now say we cancel the same base, so we now have 2x equal to 3. Our simple equation will come up here. We'll now divide both by 2. X is equal to what? 3 over 2. So we've gotten x as what? 3 over 2. This can be solved in two ways, because we can raise it to base of 2, and we can also raise it to just what it is now, the base of 4. I will do base of 4 so that it's very fast for us to do. So now, c minus 1, we know that 4 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 64. So the same base, so we now have c minus 1 equal to what? 3. Our simple equation. Collecting like things, this one will go this other way around. So we now have c equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to what? 4. But if you choose to do it the other way around, where we now raise to the base of 2, it can still work, but that one will be more stressful. So we now have 2 raised to power 2, c minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6 is equivalent to what? 64. So we divide both base, where we now use 2 to open the bracket. Now have 2c minus 2 equal to what? 6. Then collect like terms, it will go this other way around. So we now have 2c equal to 6 plus 2. Where we now say 2c will now be equal to what? 8. Divide both by 2, we now have c equal to what? 4. When we divide both by 2 to go for, this is only our simple equation. 2c equal to 8, divide both by 2, we now have what? C equal to 8. So these are the way. In fact, these ones are very simple. There are other questions where we have to put the base. All you just need to do when the base, when the power is the unknown, we have two aspects of this equation. Number one aspect is when the unknown is at the base. But in this case, it is when the unknown is now the what? Power. Just get that register in your mind that whenever you see questions like this, you should know that everything they are asking you to do is to raise, to ensure that they are having the same word, base. And don't forget, there are times, like what you are seeing there, sometimes they will just include 1. For example, by saying maybe 3x equal to 1. Some people will get confused because they don't know what to do thereafter. You should not forget that 3x, the 1, 3 raised to power 0 is equal to what? 1. You can introduce it there and bring it into your calculation. You can see now. So from here we can go by saying that what? X is equal to what? 0. So sometimes you just know that 1 is an equivalent of any kind of base raised to power 0. So you can impute it into your calculation. 1 is equal to, because anything raised to power 0 is equal to what? 1. So if I say I'm giving you a question that we need a base of x. You don't say x raised to power 0 is equal to what? 1. It helps you to be able to do your evaluation. So this is how equation of indices where the unknown is at the power. This is how it is solved. Make sure you always like, share, and see us in our next video.